Good morning. Today we're going to unbox the FrSky Taranis X-Lite. I know it's rather late, but I guess it's better late than never. Let's open it. So it comes in this nice case. There's a user manual, a bunch of stickers, screws and covers, and the transmitter itself. Let's remove the gimbal protectors. So it feels substantial. Definitely it feels like a quality transmitter. And it's got this smooth, rubbery texture to it. I'm just concerned about how long it will last. Because typically the rubber textures that I've encountered become gummy after a while. So basically we have the sticks here, the power button, a 4-way D-pad, some buttons, there's a 2-position switch here and here, 3-position switches here and here, and analog potentiometers here. There's an antenna, an external antenna connector, at the back there's the JR module bay. It's smaller and the orientation of the pins is different, so you need different modules from what you have, or you can have an adapter as some people are already doing. They 3D print an adapter that will fit the regular JR modules into this. Let's install some batteries. So to change this to a mode 1 or mode 2 transmitter, you need this. And you either install it here for mode 1 or here for mode 2. So you'll need an Allen wrench, which is not included. So you just turn it until You feel something. Okay. I think this is it. I don't want to tighten too much. So this is now a Mode 2 transmitter. And that's it for my unboxing of the FrSky Taranis X-Lite. Thank you for watching, and till next time.